welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys along on a day in the life of an Etsy shop owner. So I have orders to do today. I need to start building up stock again. I was recently in the Ultimate Planner sale, so I had a ton of stickers basically go, mainly kits. So that's what I'm working on today. That's my biggest thing that I really want to get done, is to have my stock back up, because I like being able just to pull kits whenever I get an order versus printing and cutting them on the spot. I feel like that just makes me procrastinate 10 times more than ever. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just make sure that I have everything printed and cut kit-wise that I need. That's my goal. But before I do that, I do have a ton of orders that are ready for their postage. So that's what I have so far. I also have some foiled orders that I'm not sure if I'm going to do today or if I'm going to do it tomorrow, so that will be done at that time. Before I start anything though, I am going to start planning out my day in my hourly planner from Erin. Okay, so now I have about an hour to get orders done. I printed out my pick list, so this is basically all the orders that are open. I just took the ones that I need to do today, and I printed all the stuff out that I need to make sure that I have. Some of this stuff I already have, so I just need to highlight it to make sure that I know I already have it. These are all open orders that... So, first off, let me show you where I keep my kit stock and all of that. So I keep my kit stock in photo boxes that are from... Sorry. They're from Michael's, and I believe they're only like $2. They're super cheap. But I found that these are the best size for my kits, that I can see everything's standing upright. There's enough room for side to side, and I've tried ones that are from like Target and stuff that other people have, and they just don't fit my kit size going horizontal. So I decided to go with these because these fit them amazingly. So anyways, I also just have them marked off with these little tabs, and they all say like what kit they are and everything, so it comes out pretty handy. They're laminated too, so I have enough wear and tear time for it, so that's great. So what I'm going to do right now, just to make this easier on me, is the orders that are completely done already, I am going to go ahead and print the shipping labels for, just so that I can get those orders out of the way and I know which ones I actually still have to work on and which ones are completed. Finished. I have glitter headers being cut for an order, but I'm not working on any more orders for now. I may go back to it later tonight. I'm not entirely sure. But regardless, right now I am going to put these out in the living room so that I know they're ready to go. So when we leave around 4, we'll drop these off at the post office. And then yeah, so until then, I am working on restocking all the kits that are needed. So I have basically a running list in my head of the new releases that need to be printed and cut. I have not done that for like the past 2 or 3 new releases, so those need to be printed and cut ASAP because I do have orders that need those kits, and if I have them already printed and cut and out of the way, perfect. Also, single sheets need to be printed and cut, haven't done that yet. And then I need to go back through all of these kits and make sure these all have 4 of each paper type and all of that. And that way I know what I need to print and cut and what's all set, basically. That's the goal for today. So I'm going to get that stuff done. Obviously film the process with you guys. Right now I'm going to finish up on this, clear up my desk a little bit so that when I do go into print and cut everything, you know, I'll have room to actually store things. And I definitely need to get all of these shipping stuff out of this room. That way I know everything's good to go there. Like I said, I still have some orders that I'm working on, but those will be done either later tonight or I'll work on them throughout the week. So that's my goal for now. Okay guys, so I am starting off with my first round of kits that I'm going through to make sure that I have everything. Day 3 of this video. I'm really trying to get everything done and get it out there for you guys. I want to be real with you guys. I have not been in the mood to do anything the past week, and it's because I'm so stressed out. And so I kind of brought this up on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following, there's always updates. I post there daily. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to go check it out. But I get so stressed out constantly when getting orders out because nothing's ready to ship. Like, I have some stuff that is ready to ship, but the majority isn't. So it really stresses me out when, like, right now I have 20 orders to get out, and they're all orders that I have to make everything to order. And I don't like doing that. I have a full-time job where I work 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. And then I come home, I have my 5-year-old, and obviously she's a handful, as all 5-year-olds are. And I want to be able to spend my time with her. And when I'm having to print and cut everything to order, it just doesn't work. And that's why, like, I originally tried starting to make everything to order. So, like, all the single sheets are made to order. Not made to order, sorry, ready to ship. All single sheets are ready to ship. And I do have a ton of kits that are already in stock, but like 90% of my new releases are not in stock, so I have to print and cut those. I've also been designing on my laptop, and so I haven't been sending those over to my computer right away. So like when I get orders for like the new stuff, then I'm like, oh great, now I have to go get my laptop, send everything over, and like it's a whole process. Where what I'm trying to get down to is having everything ready to ship. And that way, when I do new releases, I can get everything done in one day where I design it, I make the listing photos, I send it over by email, and then the following day, if not that day, I'll come home. Like I said, I do have a full-time job, so I go to that from 8 to 4 every day. But then when I come home, then, so what I was saying was, I come home and I try to get to every single order and it just doesn't work. So that's why I shut my shop down till August 1st, and if I have to push it back, I'm not afraid to. Hopefully I can get it done by August 1st. It's my fingers crossed. So like, I love my sticker shop. I love my customers. I love what I do, but it is stressful because I want to make everything perfect for you guys. And when orders are taking forever to ship, when there are slight imperfections, like, it just bothers me, and then it stresses me out, and then I get anxious, and then everything flies out the window. That's just how it is with being a sticker shop owner. So becoming ready to ship is going to solve a lot of that stress. And then when I get orders, I can go, hey, you know what? Easily just pull that and get it done and send it off, and all good. So that's what I am trying to do. I've been on a roll this month with new releases, so it really sucks that I am closing down my shop until August 1st because I was like literally was on a schedule, and now obviously I pulled myself off of that schedule to get orders finished and printing, cutting, everything. So kind of sucks, but it's fine. But anyways, so that's what I'm focusing on right now, is just getting everything good to go, get it over with. I'm going to get started with printing everything out. Yesterday, I cut all of these, which I think is like 9 kits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. So I printed and cut 9 kits yesterday. I printed out all the glossy. Now I'm working on premium matte for this kit. It is my Beach Bum kit. Let me show you that. Those are the full boxes. I'm absolutely in love. But yeah, I also am rebranding, which is really exciting. So when I reopen, it's going to have like a whole new look, and my sticker sheets are going to be different. So that also means that my single sheets, I'm going to have to create grab bags, which is another thing that I'm going to have to add onto my plate. And then I'm going to have to make sure that all the new release sheets are all printed and cut.